G'day viewers, Clint Long's Fishing Adventures down here in the Poon River, having a bit of a muck around, smashing a few ice cold jim beams. 2021 series, COVID and all that. Just over this side of the Narrows in the Poon River. Just having a bit of a muck around. I'll show you where I am. A few boats out today. A few people over here at the little beach over the back here. Got the rods in with some floats on, bit of bread. I think the water's still too cold for the old mullet. So we'll just see how we go anyway. Bit of a muck around. It's the ship, mate, you know? Have a bit of a muck around, see if we can catch something. I'll paste something later if I catch something.